Let's take a look at these shameless snacks. But just a quick disclosure, the company sent me 6 different samples of these snacks, so I could do this review, but that never affects what I say in my videos. Okay, back to business. I am a snack monster sometimes, and it usually comes at the worst time, like right before I go to sleep. So when I saw the name of this product and realized that they're gummies, that seemed kind of wild, but that was just the beginning of the surprises to come. It just doesn't seem possible what they've done with these snacks, so let's walk through this. First off, these are gummies with fiber. I mean, what the what? And it's not just a token amount. A single bag of these has at least 26 grams of fiber, which is like 93% of your recommended daily total. And one of the bags I received, called So Berry Cherry, actually has 29 grams, which is 104% of your recommended daily total. And that's a lot, which is good, but also maybe just be careful. I won't go into details, just look it up. But getting more dietary fiber into my diet is a goal of mine, so I usually take supplements, and it's one of those things they always tell us we don't get enough of, so I appreciate a snack company taking the lead like this in a big way. Okay, moving on. 3 grams of sugar, 3 grams net carbs, and only 70 calories? Snacks can't do that, right? But yeah, for 5 out of the 6 bags, those are the actual stats. There's also one of the 6 that has 3 grams of sugar, 8 grams of net carbs, and 90 calories. Again, that's the So Berry Cherry flavor we talked about earlier that has 103% of your recommended daily fiber. So it's more fiber and more of the other stuff, so just be aware of that. And then I found out that these are vegan. And no, I'm not vegan or vegetarian or anything, but I was surprised they could make a gummy without animal-based gelatin. Of course, maybe the rest of the world already knew this, but it was news to me. But bottom line, if they're so good for me, they must taste terrible, right? So let's just go ahead and try them. So first we'll try this green apple blast. This has 3 grams of sugar, 70 grams of calories, and 3 grams of net carbs. And the bag opens very easily, just tear it along the top. And I'm not being very elegant about that, but here they are. That's a gummy, just to show you what they look like. See if we can get some light on them. But it's a squishy gummy. It is covered in what appears to be sugar, and it's nice and soft. And it's fun to watch somebody eat a gummy, but those are delicious. Honestly, I would have no idea that this is a relatively healthy gummy. It would taste honestly like any other gummy that I buy at a convenience store. It's very sweet on the outside. It has a sugary crust. It has a nice tangy apple flavor, more on the sweet side than on the sour side, but it's delicious. Okay, and then the next one we're going to try here is the OMG Peach. And just to show you how easy it is, these rip right open. And again, here's the gummy. It's a nice, soft orange gummy with sugar crust on the outside. And let's try it. I'm going to go ahead and try it too. I could use the fiber. I'm going to put 3 in. And again, very nice, mellow peach flavor, very sugary crust on the outside. Good chew, very moist. Hard to talk when you're eating a gummy, but they're delicious. And I would honestly have no idea that this was something healthy for me, and I would never expect that they have fiber in them. I would have thought it tasted like a Cheerio or a little oatmeal ball or something like that. But no, they just taste like gummy bears. So I hope this video has helped you decide if these shameless snacks are a good snack for you to try. I think you can probably tell where I am on this one. Thanks for watching.